Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create this look. Um, I had a bit of a struggle doing this look, but you will find out why. And my hair is so full today because I'm wearing extensions. I cut them around like my length and I don't know, I'm like feeling it. If you're curious what extensions I'm wearing and if you want to have a discount code, then I will link that in the description box below. So the way I created this look is quite interesting. So if you're curious on how I created this look, then keep on watching. So let's jump right into the tutorial. So I've already primed my lids with concealer. It's the BBI concealer from Yes Style. And then I just put translucent powder on top of it. And as you can see, I didn't do my brows yet because my eyebrows tend to get a little bit more smudgy when I apply foundation afterwards. So I'm leaving it like very clean. I didn't touch them at all. So I will do the foundation and then the brows. So as the title of this video says, I'm going to use mainly Anastasia Beverly Hills products. And of course I'm going to use the Soft Glam, which is a super nice palette. I've used it once because I did a tutorial on Instagram and I was supposed to do a tutorial for Instagram and then later I found out that I didn't record until the end result part, the pose part, you know, the part where I'm like all fancy and all. So I just recorded that, which sucks obviously. But that doesn't matter because I'm here with a YouTube tutorial with the Soft Glam and some new products from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So what I'm going to do now, I have no idea what I'm going to do as always, but yeah, we'll figure it out. So what I'm going to do is taking a flat brush. This is the BH Cosmetics in number 7. And I'm going to make a panda eye because we're going to begin like that. I'm trying this new technique and see if this works. If it works. First color I'm going to use is this color. This is Sienna. I love the colors in this palette. First I thought, it might be a little bit boring, a little too natural, too neutral colors, but can you ever get tired of neutral colors? And I love the fact that there are like warm shades in it, but it's not like all orangey. And I think it's perfect for like everyday glam. So I think it's a very easy, approachable palette for everyone. Okay, let's do this. Going to patch this so you can really see the pigment as well. I love the texture, love how it's pigmented. So what we're doing, we are creating a panda eye, and I saw this technique. I saw this Mitchell doing this technique. He's an amazing artist on Instagram. If you haven't checked it, I will mention his Instagram below, but he's just freaking amazing. So I'm going to try his technique. So now I'm taking a small blending brush. This is the Lady Lashalicious in E205. I love her brushes. And I'm going in with burnt orange, which is this color right here. And I'm going to blend the eyeshadow that we've just applied, but we're not blending everything. We're just blending the edges. So we don't have any really obvious harsh lines. So now taking a clean, a bigger, like fluffy brush, I'm going to blend that eyeshadow that we've just applied. Also a little bit on the edges. I know this doesn't look really pretty, but it will all come together in a minute. Taking the same flat brush that we've used for the first eyeshadow, I'm going in with Cypress Amber, which is a super pretty, actually kind of like cool toned brown shade, which I really love. And I'm going to actually do the same, but then underneath the eyeshadow, the first eyeshadow. And after we've done that, I'm going in with Noir, which is the same with the same brush. Also, don't mind the mess here because we're going to clean everything up. Trust me. So we're doing the same, darken up the crease. So after we've applied the eyeshadows, I'm going to cut the crease and then you'll see how gorgeous this is going to look. So to cut the crease, I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC15 and I'm going to use a flat brush. I have no idea from which brand it is, but you can use whatever flat brush you like. So taking a flat brush, this is the Urban Decay Naked brush. I'm going in with this color, super pretty color. This is called bronze, but it's more like golden. Oh my god, look at that pigment! Oh my god, I didn't even wet my brush. So after I've done that, I'm going in with this beautiful color, which is called Sultry. So now I'm taking the color Rustic, which is a super pretty brown color, and I'm going to apply this on the edges. Now we're going to get rid of the fallouts and perfecting this eye look. So for eyeliner, I'm going to use NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner, which is the best eyeliner ever. So I'm quickly going to do the other eye as well, and then I'll be right back. Oh my god, guys. I was busy with this eye, and then I completely ruined it. So, and I was like, oh my god, so you can remove everything and start over again. And then I did this, and I think it looks quite okay. So I wanted to show you how to do this. I don't know whether you like it or not. But I went in with my concealer and a super flat, simple, small brush. And I just went in, so it's now like kind of like a... So now it's kind of like a double cut crease, right? But I thought I'd show you, or else you would like, why did you do that? When did you do that? Yeah, I think it looks quite cool. Don't you think so, guys? Honestly, guys, I have no idea what to think of this. I don't know if I like it or not. One thing I did learn from doing makeup is to keep going, and eventually it will hopefully work out. So I still don't know what to think of this. I have no idea what this patch is. But we'll just keep going, and maybe it will look super cool with the brows done and with the face done, because that already makes such a difference. So, okay, I've already primed my face with a Too Faced Hangover Primer. So for foundation, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC37 and 625 from Armani Luminous Silk. And of course, with this look, I'm going for a full coverage finish. So for concealer, I'm going to use two. It's the Fit Me by Maybelline and the All Nighter by Urban Decay. The Urban Decay is like super covering. I love that. And then I love to use the Fit Me to really highlight my face, because this concealer is too heavy to highlight other parts of my face. You know what I mean? I'm going to use a new brush. This is from BH Cosmetics in 137 to blend everything. I'm using, this one is so old, but I love it. It's a sheer powder from Oriflame, and it's Giordani Gold. I know it looks like very old, but it's a really nice powder if you don't feel like using a translucent powder. This is so easy, and it also brightens up the skin under your eyes, which is super nice as well. So before we continue with the brows and lashes and all that, I'm going to use the new bronzer by Anastasia, of course. This is the Saddle Bronzer. I've used this once and I really loved it. So I'm going to use it again. Taking my brush, this is the Elsa Makeup Bronzing Brush. It's really pigmented, so you just need a little bit. I love the color of this bronzer. It gives a warm finish without being orange, if you know what I mean. And I love that. I really have to get used to doing my makeup like this, because seeing my brows like this, I can't really picture what my makeup's going to look like. So it's actually quite exciting what this look is going to look like. Now I'm going to use the highlighter. Look how beautiful this is. I've used this a couple of times. I really loved it. I have to say that I do like it when you make your brush a little bit wet, so you really get that pigmentation going on. You don't have to do it, but I love a obvious highlighter, so I love to do that. Well, since I've been using Anastasia a lot anyway, I'm going to use the Anastasia blush kits, which is one of my favorite blush kits. So I'm going to use these colors, Coastline and Therese. I'm going to put this on my cheeks. Okay, finally I'm doing my brows, because I have no idea what this look is going to look like. Well, I'm going to do the brows real quick because you guys have seen that a lot. And I do have a brow tutorial up on my channel, which I will link in the description box below. We'll do my brows in a minute and I'll come right back. So I did my brows and finally some things are like coming together, hopefully. So we are going to finish the eyes. I'm going to use a flat brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line just how I like it. And I'm going to use Rustic for this. So now I'm using the color Sienna as well to really smoke out, oops, my lower lash line. So for my waterline, I'm going to smoke it out. I'm using Mr. White Eye Pencil by The Balm, which is new. I've never used this before, so I hope it's like super black and smudgy. Let's see. Yes, I love this. You can work really precise with this and really go like into the lashes. So for the inner corner, I'm going to use this color right here, which is called Fairy. It's a beautiful golden color. Maybe I'll mix it a little bit with this one. And that's glistening. Oh, that is so pigmented. Can you see that? I'm going to use a little bit of glistening under my brows. For lashes, my favorite part, because so either I'm really going to like this look or not at all. So I hope these lashes are going to make this look like bam. I'm going to use the Attitude lashes, which are beautiful. She's the sweetest girl ever. This is the founder of the Attitude lashes is makeup by and she's so good. She is like insanely talented. So I will also mention her Instagram below. But yeah, I'm going to use the Sassy lashes. Officially in love with these lashes. These are beautiful and very easy to apply, so I don't have to really like move the band of the lashes to really fit my eye. I just applied it and it really fits. Now the lips, I think I'm going in with this color because it really caught my eye when I saw that on Instagram. Obviously, it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. They came up with, I think, 10 new liquid lipsticks. The colors are amazing. There are a lot of neutral colors, a lot of crazy colors, and this is the color Grim. So we're going to try that, and I'm using NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Los Angeles. Yes, I love that. Oh, this color is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so me. I love it. Oh yes, I love it. So that's it for the look, guys. I hope you like it. Oh my god, it was a bit of a struggle, right? It was a bit of a struggle, but I think I end up liking it. And if not, well, I tried to do something else. I tried to like save the look. Hopefully you guys like it. It is something else, maybe not very wearable, but yeah, maybe you get some inspiration out of this. And to make a long story short, never give up. So if you liked it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Facebook, which is all called Dilan Sabah. And don't forget to subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!